Familia mía, let's cook together a super yummy red tamale and pork belly torta with la costeña.
This recipe is inspired by a legendary Mexico City street food and deserves to be shared with the whole world. Slice the pork belly and sear until crispy, then set it aside. In the same pan, brown la costeña red tamales until golden. Now, let's build the famous torta de tamal. Slice a bolillo roll in half and spread mayo on both sides. On the bottom half, add shredded lettuce, tomato slices, crispy pork belly, Mexican crema, and red onion. Place the red tamale on top, spoon over la costeña ranchera salsa, and finish with buttery sliced avocado. Close it up, take a bite, enjoy, and experience one of Mexico's most beloved antojitos. See you soon in another cooking adventure with La Costeña.